Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can hide or show the sidebar in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Launch Waterfox, and as you can see guys here on the home screen, I don't have that sidebar to the left, but you can easily show it or enable it by clicking into this button in the top left. You may also click into that gear icon at the bottom. And from here, for example, select this option inside your sidebar settings to move it to the right hand side. If you'd like to hide it, simply right click into the sidebar and select hide sidebar. That's one way how you can do it, guys. You may also access your browser settings by clicking into these three lines in the top right and by selecting settings. And here inside your settings, what you want to do is navigate to look and feel to the left. And from here, simply find the sidebar settings. So let me find it really quickly. There you go. So you can select, for example, auto hide sidebar header, or leave it disabled. So in that case, or unselected, in that case, the sidebar will still be accessible by clicking into this button. And if you enable it, it will stay even if you click off or change to another tab. You will see the sidebar to the left. So it's basically that button in the top left corner, or you do that through your browser settings, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.